Benembye munasoro botirwa senchira yobokira nugo tikarabo igase bunge ya Nyalibali Masaba emeye county ya Kise omolitanning officer kurose kombekele bocholi nechimbe IBC kurase nseme yomanyekanite buna Ilda Imbo nigatebere buna bunekyo mbekyo bochono chimbe IBC nigobero berete boikira nuko ene kibuno bocholi ya nseme ya Nyalibali Masaba ngo chokorubole asenchire ngiya wanchire ya konde wensi gotayo nigo chinga kechi ya boroko bwatira na kwime liko ene kyo bocholi yobumbo liko chigotwara buraburu chinde chonsi litukule Jumaine ekerobocho libochi okolekana ensemeyo amone nsengima.
My name is Hilda Imbo, returning officer, Nyalibali Masaba. We are preparing for the forthcoming general election, which is on 9th August 2022. All the preparations are in place. We've received all the non-strategic materials, and we have also received some of the strategic materials. All the ballot boxes are here. We have received some ballot papers. We are still waiting for the presidential and governor ballot papers. So far, we have 68,593 registered voters in Nyalibali Masaba. We have done the training for presiding officers and deputy presiding officers. Today we are conducting training for polling clerks who are also the counting clerks. The process we are starting on Monday. On Monday they are coming to pick the materials and they are going to the polling station on Monday. They are going to spend in their various polling stations. And by 6 in the morning, now on 9th, that is Tuesday, they are going to open the polling stations. And the whole day polling will take place. Polling is supposed to end by 5, depending on how many people will still be on the queue. And after poll is over, they are going to do the counting and filling of forms. And once they are through, they are going to come to the tallying center to present their results from the polling stations. No challenge, we are on top gear. Everything is okay. We were fearing about the rain, but it seems God is helping us. We are going to have maybe a dry elections this time if it's going to